Let's see exercises of chapter 20. Question number 1. Choose the best answer. You all have to choose the best answer from the given options. Before choosing the best answer, go through the chapter at least 3 to 4 times. Now coming to question number 2, that is put a tick by the true sentences and a cross by the ones that are false. It is quite similar to true and false. So you should again read the chapter before doing question number 2 as well. Coming to question number 3, how many sentences can you make? You can see there are 2 yellow boxes. So many columns are there. So we will see A. I enjoyed myself. I taught himself. Or rather, I taught myself. Means use word I along with myself, you, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, and it itself. Hope I'm clear. You have to use I with myself only, you with yourself only, he with himself only, she with herself only, it with itself only. How you all will use? Let's see. You taught yourself. He burnt himself. He enjoyed himself. He behaved himself. She cut herself. She taught herself. She behaved herself. It burnt itself. It enjoyed itself. So like this you all have to make sentences. Coming to B, you all can see there are many columns. You all will use the words we, Prem and I with ourselves only, you and Maya with yourselves only, they or the boys with themselves only. I think you know well we is a plural subject, Prem and I as well, you and Maya as well, means here all the subject they are plural. Let's see how you all will make sentences. We hurt ourselves. We dried ourselves. We took care of ourselves. Now with Prem and I washed ourselves. Prem and I hurt ourselves, like this. Now let's see from you and Maya. You and Maya took care of yourselves. You and Maya washed yourselves. Now coming to they and the boys. They blamed themselves. They washed themselves. They dried themselves. Now from the boys. The boys blamed themselves. The boys washed themselves. The boys hurt themselves. So like this you all have to practice, and as I have told you earlier as well, just go through the pattern of the sentences if it is given in the chapter. It will help you to do rest of the exercises of that chapter. I think you all can see myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, I, you, he, she, ourselves, yourselves, all these are pronoun. What we say it pronoun, or we say them pronouns. Now coming to another question. Question number 4. Add the missing words. The first two are done for you. You all have to add the missing words. I think you can see himself, ourselves. Like this, you have to add the words. This question, that is question number 4, I am leaving on you only. You all will try by yourselves first, and if you won't be able to do, then definitely I will help you to do this and to understand this. But before that, I want you to try by yourselves. Okay. I can give you here some examples in the form of answers. Please pay attention. Let's see question number E. The horse hurt. What would be? Any guess? Itself. Here it will be itself. The horse hurt itself jumping over a rail and became lame. Okay, all of you. Now let's see question number H. While they were waiting for the rain to stop, they amused themselves. They amused themselves. THEMSELVES themselves by making Christmas cards to send to their friends. So like this, you all have to fill the words. If I'm not wrong, you all have to fill the words. You can take help of. You can take help from here. You can see myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself are given, and these as well. So you can take help from question number 3 in doing question number 4. Okay, all of you. Now coming to question number 5, that is put in all the punctuation and capital letters. You have to punctuate it properly. It is one of the very important exercise, and I want everyone to practice this at your home. It will help you a lot in giving correct punctuation marks while writing, and it will help you a lot in avoiding committing silly mistakes. So I expect from everyone to do question number 5 at your home. Now coming to question number 6, that is the revision.